Okay guys, this is a preparation for to clean the silvers. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to clean the silver like this. You see, this is my silver. This is silver. It's very dark, right? So I'm going to show you today how to clean this one. Okay, so now I have baking soda, baking powder like this. So you're gonna put here maybe couple spoons of baking soda, 1 and 2, maybe 3. So it depends of how many silver you need to wash it. Okay, the more is better for you actually. Okay, actually I put now 4 spoons, and the same thing you're gonna put the salt. This is salt, 1 spoon, 2 spoon, and 3 spoons. So alright, now what you're gonna do is we're gonna put all the silvers inside this pot like this, and 1 second. I'm bringing my all the silvers. See, it's very dark, right? Like this, and this. It will be like this. After you wash it, it will be like these shinings. Okay. And I have one more here, like this. After that, what you're gonna do? We need to put some aluminum papers. Okay. Some like this. We need to do like this, and this part, this area. Like this area like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna put hot waters. This is hot water. I need to put some more hot waters here, or I can like this. Actually, this is not enough. I'm going to put some more cold water and let it boil. Okay, this is how you do like that. You have to boil this water about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, you see now a lot of water, right? Make sure you enough the water. Okay, and we need to cook the silver 3 to 5 minutes. So I have now a lot of silvers, so that's why I think it's gonna take a little bit of time. Okay, let me see what's going on. Okay, you see now. So here is, you see, here's white, right? This one go down. enter the water, that's why. So this part is the water is not enough, so that's why. You see, now it's getting white, right? Shining. So I need to cook it, continue another couple minutes. Okay. Let me see this one. Maybe this one looks better. Yeah, this is much better. Wow, it's good. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. It is doing excellent job. Excellent job. You know, actually I'm cooking this one for like 10 minutes because I have a lot amount of, or a lot of items of the silver. That's why, you know, like 5 minutes is not enough. So it depends, you know, if you have more item like this and you have to cook it, boil it a little bit longer, like 10 minutes or more. So Tibetan language, so we call this one called ting. Actually we use this one for the Buddha. We put the water here, then we offering waters to the Buddha. You know, sometimes we put flowers and you know, like candy, fruit, anything like that, and you can offering to the Buddha. So, you know, next week is my New Year, so that's why this week I'm preparing for my New Year's. You know, before New Year we have to wash all of these kind of things, especially for the Buddha. And this one called, sorry, this one called ting. This one called gung. So this one we put the butter here, then we offering the lamb butter, and we're gonna put the fire here on the top, and we're offering the lamb for the Buddha. So just want to explain to you guys. So this one is called people. We put a whiskey here, whiskey, beers, and tea, something like that, and we offering for the Buddha as well. Now I cook this one for, I think, more than 10 minutes. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me show you now something. You see now, this is aluminum paper. This is dark now, right? Before was this very shining and clear. So now this has become dark because it takes this date back to this silver. That's why. You see, now he took all the dates from this silver. It's very dark, right? Now actually you can put the new one. So actually I'm almost done. Alright, you see. Now let me see how it looks now. Let me show you. Oh, you see it works very well, right? Before was very dark, you know. It's very good now. Almost. I think I need to cook another like 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. I'll show you again. Okay. Okay, guys. So now it looks everything's done. So what I'm gonna do next step is I'm gonna stop my fire. So I'm gonna take all the part, these whole things to my sink. So I will show you how to do. Okay, let me show you. Okay guys, now I put all the things over there in my sink. So you're gonna put the cold water, let it cool down. Okay, so actually you can through this hot water. Let me show you. Ooh, be careful, okay? It's very hot. Very be careful. I'm gonna throw my all the hot water. Be careful. Very be careful, okay? Like this. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put the cold water, everything. So now let me see. Oh, you see? It's very nice now, it's very clear, right? Now you can put the soap, regular soap, and you wash it. It's gonna be better than this. It's very nice, it works very well. Okay, now you see. Very shiny, right? Now I put the soap. Now you can wash it like how you wash your plates. See? Very clean and very clean. It works very well. And guys, thank you very much. Please make sure subscribe and like it. Thank you very much guys.